Welcome back, artistic family, to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. For those of you who are new, thank you for stopping by, and hopefully after the video you'll consider joining the artistic family and hitting that subscribe button. Okay guys, I am testing out some colors for a commission. I'm also kind of testing with composition. You guys know I like to do that. I have a couple designs that I like the S design, the Z design. Very easy for beginners as well who are starting to maybe struggling, but leaves you with a gorgeous, elegant type of look. And of course you can play with it on your own, but they're great starting points and I love them. So I'm using a different color palette today and I'm really excited about it. And what I have here, guys, is my forever love of this DecoArt Extreme Sheen. My go-to Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black. I'm using Artist Loft Phthalo Blue. And then I'm using Artist Loft Metallic Silver. Not the pre-mixed, just the regular silver. Same color, just Artist Loft has already mixed and then they also don't. So I'm using all Artist Loft here except for the DecoArt Americana. And what I have here, guys, is a mixture, sorry, too much light there for you. A mixture of DecoArt Americana Satin Enamel, okay, pure white. So I'm using that today as my base, and I have that mixed in with Craft Smart White Pearl. So I think this is going to be gorgeous, and I'm super excited. So let's go ahead, see you back on the canvas, and we'll get going. All right, guys. So I'll put this down as the base. Again, I'm not completely going over. I'm going to put it on the canvas and then stretch it out and just leave a little bit. Okay. I don't need any more than 5.5, 6 ounces for this canvas. Oh my gosh. That white pearl is a beauty, guys. Sure is. So summer's over, guys. Wow. I don't even know where it went. Let me know if you guys found that it went by fast. I think this year, for me, plus I've went through quite a bit this year. It might be part of it. I lost my baby, my 10-year-old gorgeous Persian Harpo, who did make an appearance in one of my earlier videos, and I miss him dearly. I will not talk about him too much because it will make me emotional, because I really miss him and I love him. He was the best cat in the world and he had a beautiful personality. I'm an animal lover anyways, and I often grew up with cats, so I always wanted a Persian. I've seen them on TV playing with the toilet paper, and I thought, oh my gosh, they're cute, I want one. And so I got one, and he was a mackerel tabby color instead. He cried out when I went to go buy him. He jumped out the box. I picked him up. I never looked at any other cat. I wanted a white one, but he chose me, and I'm so happy he did. So, okay. I have no air bubbles. Yay! Thank you, White Pearl. And instead of putting all the colors, guys, in my cup, I'm just going to lay them down individually. And I'm kind of looking for a crisscross design with some negative space. Silver. Just wrap that around. Okay. Beautiful. I'm putting the black on last because I'm using the silver and I don't want too much mix. And I'm doing this because I want to see them individual, the colors as well. And I put a big blob of that gold. I only filled the 1 ounce cup up with about a quarter compared to all the other ones because it is very bossy, gorgeous, but bossy. It goes a long way. So if you don't really want it to completely take over, and I don't, because I want to see all these colors together. I hope this doesn't cause me an issue. I'll probably end up tilting it off. I have no silicone, no Floetrol. All the details will be down in the description, guys. I was experimenting with that. I'm kind of happy to get back to basics a bit. And plus, like I said, this is for testing for commission. And so I didn't want to use the silicone. If I get cells, great, because I do have a DecoArt satin enamel base. Kind of like to stretch it out, and plus if you are looking for cells, that definitely will help. So let's come back here, and this here over. Oh wow, that is stunning, guys, and I'm just loving the pattern and design here that the gold is making. I'm just gonna add some more here. Out. I really do want some negative space there. Come back. There, guys, putting that down. Oh, wow. Wow, let me turn that around. I say it all the time, I know. I know. You guys, I really wish you could see what was going on here. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. And as you guys can see, I use my calculator. I'll be doing a tutorial coming up very soon. I'll give you guys all those details as well. I did go over it before, but I'm gonna go into it with a little bit more detail and give you some rationale, what I've discovered. Okay. I just want to bring this down more. This around for you guys. This is absolutely stunning. So funny, I turn it around for you and then I start tipping the opposite way. Definitely getting some cells here. Back. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. She's gonna love it. A tester, and then I will be showing the client, and then we'll be going from there. Okay, let me give this a torch. Wow. And really wipe my hands off. If you guys are new, I am messy, and I drop droppings all of the time on my canvas when I go to torch. Oh, wow. And again, I knew I would probably get cells because I have a very thin base consistency with satin enamel. Again, no Floetrol, no silicone. I'm blown away. I mean, blown away. This is probably my most intricate one of, for sure. I have lots of beautiful ones, and they're beautiful for different reasons, but the effects that I got in this without trying to get them, Murphy's Law, it's always the way, right guys? And without any of the main ingredients to get them, no glue wall. I don't have any varnish or Valspar or anything for the lacing. I have no silicone. Just Liquitex pouring medium, my consistency, and DecoArt Satin Enamel, which I've used a lot, and I've never got any effects that look like this. So I'm going to attribute that, and I say all paints are different, even though I use metallics all the time, the same colors. If you use them in different ways, guys, you learn different things and they react differently, and that's what my goal is to put as much knowledge in my artist arsenal as possible, so that I can make the most beautiful pours. And wow, I mean, look at the 3-dimension there. Look how gorgeous that, it looks like a flower and the clusters inside. Absolutely gorgeous. And again, I told you, those designs, the S and the Z, always create a beautiful composition, okay? And you can see that. And all the colors showed up just how I wanted in blocks. They didn't overblend, which is what I didn't want. And I was hoping, I knew I'd get some cells because of DecoArt, but I didn't think that I'd get all of these cells, which normally is what you would get with silicone or Floetrol, and I have neither.